case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1974, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case National Labor Relations Board versus Magnavox Company of Tennessee, which centered around employees' rights to distribute union literature and support labor organizations, as protected under Section 7 of the National Labor Relations Act. The International Union of Electrical, Radio, and Machine Workers, IUE, challenged a company rule that prohibited employees from distributing literature on any of its property, including non-work areas. The case was brought to the Supreme Court due to the conflicting decisions of the Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit, 8th and 5th. The National Labor Relations Board, NLRB, held that the rule violated Section 8A1 of the National Labor Relations Act, as it was discriminatory and unnecessary for production or discipline. However, the Court of Appeals denied enforcement of the NLRB's order, claiming that the union had waived objection to the ban on on-premises distribution of literature. In the Supreme Court's decision, it was determined that the company's ban on union literature distribution and solicitation during non-working time on company property violated employee rights and was discriminatory. The court rejected the company's argument that the IUE had waived its objection rights. The NLRB's ruling was upheld, requiring the company to withdraw the ban on union literature distribution during non-working time, unless specific concerns arose regarding production or discipline. This decision emphasized the importance of workers' freedom of association and self-organization.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.